Yung iba na lang, edit na lang lahat.
Okay, number 6.
Pabigyan ko na. Sige, sige. Pwede ako na. Save ko na lang sa pa.
Ayan bro. Ayan.
Vlogger tayo. Pati ka muna dito.
Procedure. You pin your nose, you close your mouth. Go, back this. Number 7. 7. Talikod, harap sa amin.
Ikaw?
Watch your step, hindi tatapakan mo.
Dito lang sa ilalim. Dito.
So, mamaya babalik tayo rito. Naman nasakay naman ang life of the Asheville life. Tapos na set-up tayo. Hindi na. Okay na, sige na. Embarkation procedure. You pin your nose, you close your mouth. Okay, go. Okay, number 8. Kapit na maigi ha. Kapit na maigi ha. Harap dito. Kapila na, kapit na kagad. Tignan mo yung tatapakan mo. Huwag pipitaw sa lupit ha. Daan-daan lang, hindi ko kailangan mabilisan.
Mama, sabi mo na.
Oh, hindi dyan ang kapit. Yan. Okay. Adjust your hands. Doon sa lupit, sa ilalim na lupit. Yan. Yan ang baba ha. Yan ba? Watch your step, Sofia.
Binibidyo mo din ba hanggang makalang? Hindi, pag nandiyan sa gitna, hindi lang. Sinasama mo.
Okay, disembarkation procedure. Sit on the corner side. You pin your nose, you close your mouth. Hold your legs again tightly, press it again your chest. Go back, lift. Okay, good. Number 9. On the way. Embarkation ladder. Tandaan ha. Tandaan. 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 Okay, good. Sit on the corner side. You prepare for disembarkation. You pin your nose, you close your mouth, hold your life jacket. Okay, go.
Bakit ang tusok dito?
Number 10. 10.
Sir.
Watch your step. Atin na kayo, ahon na. Ahon. Ahon na. Ahon. Ahon. Okay, good. One more step. Okay, sit on the corner side. Prepare for disembarkation. Okay, you pin your nose high. Go ahead. Back lift. 11 embarkation ladder. Watch your step. Hindi ko mapapasa na nga eh.
Ano maligo? Bukas na.
Okay, sit on the tube. Wala pa tayong clearance. Embarkation. Okay, go. Back lift. Okay, layo. Okay, next. Number 12.
Mahulog ka pa eh.
Okay. You pin your nose, you close your mouth. Okay, go back, lifting. Number 13. You pin side. Game. Hold on tightly. Watch your step.
Slippers ha? Slippers.
Okay.
Bakit pa naman tayo dito? Pabalik.
Yan lang
Ay, bakit dinala niyo?
Wala naman.
Are you wearing a slipper?
No, dala-dala niya.
You throw it.
Throw it there.
Wala pa slipper. Len.
You don't need to bring it. Go.
More. Okay. Disembarkation procedure. James. Sit on the corner. Left the embarkation ladder. Don't hold to the embarkation ladder. Okay, you prepare yourself for this embarkation. Okay, you pin your nose, you close your mouth. Okay, go. Back lift. Proceed to the corner side. Okay.
Mamadali si Pogi.
Okay, prepare yourself. Okay, you pin your nose, you close your mouth. Okay, go back lifting. Okay, proceed. And 15. 15. Dandahan ha. Dandahan.
Wala na, pinabili ka na lang ng toyo ng namin mo lang dito ka.
Watch your step.
Video ka rin? 50. Sir, 50 video, no?
50 pesos.
Okay? Good. Prepare for disembarkation. You pin your nose, you close your mouth. Okay, go. 16.
Ako, sir.
Oh, hindi ganyan ang harap. Punta doon
Ako,
na.
sir.
Talikod. Naman eh. Okay, okay. Ganon. Tignan mo dyan, tapakan mo ha. Tignan mo yung first step mo.
Smile muna.
Watch your step. Siguraduhin mo, tatapakan mo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Do it slowly. Hindi ako nagmamadali.
Yes, sir.
Okay, change your hand. Hold it in the rope. Good. One by one. Okay, good. Okay, sit on the corner. Nice.
Sige, sige.
Karen, okay, prepare for disembarkation. You pin your nose, you close your mouth. You hold your life jacket tightly, press it against your chest. Baliktad. Overlap. Okay, go. 17. 17. Come on. Alisin na lang. Chinelas. Oh, baliktad ka. Kain na muna tayo ha. Tapos ha, dala natin ang life jacket sa kabina natin ha.
Sige, sir.
Okay, watch your step. Don't be in a hurry, please. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, good. Sit on the chalk. Prepare for disembarkation. Okay, you pin your nose, you close your mouth. Go, back lifting. Good. Very good. 18. Good. Good. Tignan mo yung time step mo, ha? Watch your step. Yung iba, umahon na. Kuha ng pagkain sa lilag. So, lilag jacket sa kami na. Sa kwarto.
Yung sa ilagay dyan, sir. Dyan lang, sir.
O, ilagay sa life jacket doon sa kasatabi natin. Kukunin mo pa yan. O, may tuloy-tuloy tayo. Menos 15.
15 minutes na pala yung break.
Oh. Okay, you pin your nose, you close your mouth. Hold your life jacket. Okay, press it against your chest, your right hand. Okay, go.
Isang oras. Wala na.
19.
Wala lang sila na.
Sabi mo sa kanila, dali na life jacket, ilagay sa kabina, takwa ko natin. Kuha na ng pagkain. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan. Okay? Simpan kayo sa procedure. You pin your nose, you close your mouth. Okay, go. Backlit. Hanggang 20. Sabi mo, akit na sa'yo, kain na kuha ng pagkain na ha. Dala sa jacket ha. Dala sa kwarto natin. Tawad ha. Kung may panahon ng jacket na dumali, iwan ng jacket. Okay? Sit on the corner. Chok. Press well. Okay, good. Okay, go. Backlit. Okay, 21.
Uy, ako pre ah.
Watch your step, watch your step.
Edit ko na lang to, putol-putulin na lang mamaya.
Okay, you pin your disinfection procedure. Okay, you pin your nose. You close your mouth. Hold your leg. Okay, go. Backlit. Okay, 22.
Oras sir.
Tandaan ha. Dali yung life jacket ha. Kuha na ng pagkain. Ilagay yung life jacket sa kabina natin. Sa tabi ng upuan nyo. Sige na, magpapasapa rin tayo mamaya. Ano, Marie? Kuha na ng pagkain to.
Saan po sa edit sir?
Doon sa kantina. Sa kantina doon ng pagkain. Sa bago. Everybody, up of food. Labas lahat. Labas. So, life jacket dito sa kabina. Okay, disembarkation procedure. Go. Okay, last person, 23.
Wala na sir, 22 lang kami.
Okay, 22. Okay, sige. Buha na, balikan na rin mga chanelas na yan.
Sa kampay naman yun sir. Ate, phone mo to? Thanks. Okay na to sir.